Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I created this AI art series. I'm going to show you all prompts and the entire workflow. Two applications were used. One is Photoshop and Midjourney. It's not necessary you have to use Midjourney or Photoshop. You can use any other applications, but the process will be same. So let's dive into Photoshop. We are in Photoshop. Now I am doing some random selections and I will use the generative fill of Photoshop. Let's type Red Valley. Just a random concept. You can be very creative with any prompts. So this is the first generated image. Now I'll add a sky. Let's type dark blue sky. Now let's type a man. So I want a character here, like a character standing in a red valley in front of a huge red cliff. Let's merge all the layers. Now I want to select 50%. So this is how I do. Make a new layer, create a layer mask and invert the mask and lower the density to 50%. Now control and select that mask layer and you will get this pop-up. So 50% selection is done. It will not show, but it's selected. Now click generate and I am typing concept art look. See, this is what it have generated. If we haven't selected the 50% selection, then it would have created a new version. I wanted to shift the look from realistic to concept art painterly style. That's why I did this. Now I'm going to select this area and make a mountain here. So I have filled it. The character is above this layer. Just mixing, matching and doing some experimental stuff to get new looks, because the main concept behind generating these images is to create new looks for films, games and like trailers and all. So these are the two images that we have created in Photoshop. These are not that stunning images. These are the base structure that will drive the Midjourney AI to create new looks. So AI plays the biggest role here. AI will help you to create new looks, new designs, new forms of visual elements that is not easily possible by any artist in a very short amount of time. So let's dive into Midjourney. Now I am uploading those images. I am using the link of the first image, drag and drop it here, or right click and copy link. Motion blur. The reason behind using motion blur is to create a dynamic fill in the final image. If there is no dynamic fill, the image looks very static, which I don't like. Netflix film still, and I'm using the keyword Netflix film still to create that film look. So these are the images that was generated with this prompt. So these images were great. Now I thought of adding some vibrant colors like blue, red, yellow, green. There are two approaches. I can use keyword like green, then red, blue, these type of keywords. Instead, I thought of using Vincent van Gogh, because most of the Vincent van Gogh's paintings are very vibrant and multicolored. I used the keyword Vincent van Gogh paintings before motion blur, Netflix still, and this is what it generated. Amazing visuals, new style. I love it, bro. Get up on it and do. Get up on it and do. It's not yet over. We are going to craft it more. The last generated images inspired me to add some foliage in the scene. So I created this image in Photoshop, same technique I showed you before. I added it with the previous link. And these are the results. Some of you are thinking, what if we don't use the keyword motion blur? Then this is what we get. Illustrators, don't worry, I have something for you too. Just remove everything except the links of the images. Add the keyword illustrations, only one keyword illustrations, if you are open to get random ideas. Oh, baby, I dived into all into you. Now if you want very precise visuals, then after the keyword illustration, add the entire description of the visual that you want or the idea. For example, I have used this description. It can be anything, but keep the keyword illustrations first, then add your description. Guys, please let me know your views down in the comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. It will help me a lot, and see you in a new video. Bye bye. Get up on it and do. Yes. Bye bye. My channel